gotta go back and get a shape from this thing. No, let's go back home.
Where's home for him?
Your girlfriend come pick you up instead?
Huh?
Your girlfriend you were talking to come pick you up instead?
Oh,
I feel a whole lot better if she come pick you up.
Oh, yeah.
Ronald, do you know what's going on with him, man? Did he smoke something?
No.
Listen, hold on. Be straight up with me. We're not trying to get him in trouble. His wife's already on the way, right?
Yeah,
We're not taking him to jail as long as his wife gets here and can take care of him.
Yes, sir.
So what did he take? Is what?
He ain't take nothing, sir.
100% he has.
No.
What is he, just sleepy? That's.
You all right? Ron, listen. We've had a lot of bad stuff going around the last couple of weeks.
A lot of people dying
from stuff that's bad. Right? Stuff they've taken that's not good.
So that's why I'm
They
asking.
got a bad batch of stuff going around. Right? So that's why we're asking. We're not trying to jam him up, but we need to know to make sure he's
Did you check on the med unit?
Yeah, they were there now. So.
Okay. All right, come on, Ronald. I'll give you a ride. Let's. Go.
Give you a ride.
Give you a ride.
We're gonna go back home. I'm gonna give you a ride. We're being very...
All right, your girlfriend?
Yeah.
All right, here's Ronald. The guy he was with, high on PCP, was not doing too hot, so he went to the hospital. Marlo? Do you know Marlo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, when's the last time you saw them? Were they over here just a little bit ago, or?
I was at work.
Oh, okay.
Going on, bro? Like, for real.
Ronald, no. God dang it, dude. Ronald, why? He's bleeding. Ronald, come on, man. Get out of the window. Get out of the window, Ronald. God dang it, Ronald. What are you doing, bro?
Who got my keys?
I don't know. We'll figure it out in just a second. Okay.
Going on, bro? Like, for real.
Ronald, no. God dang it, dude. Ronald, why? He's bleeding. Ronald, come on, man. Get out of the window. Get out of the window, Ronald. God dang it, Ronald. What are you doing, bro?
Who got my keys?
I don't know. We'll figure it out in just a second.